Welcome to Epic's Training and Consultancy based in Tanzania. Epix is a leading provider of professional training solutions and consultancy solutions. We offer tailor-made training programs that are designed to meet the needs of each individual client. Epic's expert consultants help good institutions become even better by providing practical guidance and support, sharing good practice, and helping to consolidate your own current practices. We work together with companies as smart partnership in providing hands-on solutions to help solve day-to-day business challenges by developing their human capital. We offer a wide range of training and development consulting services to support organizational growth and success. We serve private and public institutions and individuals by providing strategic advice, specialized skill development, and operational solutions. We bridge capability gaps by diagnosing problems and equipping teams with the practical tools required to improve performance and navigate change. Whether you're an individual aiming to boost your skills or an organization seeking expert support, Epix is here to help you grow, lead, and succeed. Visit our head office or get in touch with a member of our team.